Hi everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to teach you how to add products on Shopify. Adding a product to your store and editing the product is incredibly simple. The platform is very friendly and truly anyone can do it. I'm going to go over the different functions and details that might affect your reports and your sales and help you achieve the best results for your store. So from your home page on your Shopify account, press this product button right here on the left, right here. If you don't have any products that you want to sell and maybe need ideas, click on Find Products to Sell and you'll find some resources, maybe some apps and some tools that are going to help you find products for your store. But if you already have a product ready to go, click Add Your Products. Now let's go through the different information and functions here and what they mean. Quick note, don't forget to press save every now and then, not just at the end, just in case the battery runs out or something like that. And after you press save for the first time, you're going to see this preview button. Once you click the preview button, you're going to see the product page from the shopper's point of view. But we'll check that out later. For now, let's start. So first we have the title. The title of your product, you can keep it straightforward and very formal, or you can get creative. I'm gonna go with pink casual shirt. Casual shirt. Now, the description box. That's where you'll write the description of the product. Make sure it's engaging and has important information. Remember that this is where you convince the buyer to buy your products. So get creative and use your copywriting skills. Think of who your customers are and what they're looking for. Maybe try to describe the advantages of the product as well. It's good to get creative. So here you're going to see that we have all these design tools. I'm going to go through some of the really useful ones. For example, the text generator, which uses AI to create a description for your product. All you gotta do is type some of your product's features and keywords. Okay, let's try the text generator. The keywords I'm gonna use are pink, shirt, and casual. Before you click on generate text, don't forget to choose the tone of voice. This can be something a bit more formal, like expert. Or maybe it can be a bit more creative and fun, like playful. As you can see, there are a lot of different options here, so it's up to you. Let's try playful and see what happens. When you click generate text, okay, it gives you a really nice, really cool description for your product. If you don't like this one, you can try again. Click try again until you find something you like. Or just write it yourself, up to you. So let's press keep and see what happens. And there we go, copied it right here. You have some more design tools here. You can choose, the size of the letters and so on. And you can also put a picture or a video here. This will appear with the text. So this is not the media for the product yet. It just appears with the description text. Okay, moving on, we have the media. This is where you can add the media for the product. It can be a 3D model, it can be an image, a video. You can copy it from a link, so maybe a YouTube video link, or you can add a file from your laptop. So this is obviously a very important feature. I would not skip this part. The visual is probably one of the most important features on the product page. All right, moving on to pricing. This is where you set the price for your product. So price, this is the actual price, and compare at price is maybe an older price. So if your price changed, the price for the product changed at some point, you can put the older price at compare at price and the current price at price. So if we put $8 here and $7 here, it will show the old price kind of scratched out and the new price right next to it. Cost per item, this is for your eyes only. The customers don't see this. So this is for you to keep track of how much this product costs for you and to see what's your profit. It's a very helpful tool for sellers. And moving on, we have inventory. Okay, so this section might look a little different depending on your store setting. But basically, this is just to keep track on the inventory. You can add SKU if the product has one. You can add barcode if the product has one. And next up, we have shipping. So first you have to choose if this is a physical product that you're sending out or a digital product or service. So nothing to add here if it's digital, but if it's physical, you're gonna add the weight. And if it's for international shipping, you're gonna have to add some customs information. Okay, moving on. Variants. So if the customer needs to choose a size or a color or something like that, that's where you add that. So let's say this shirt, if someone wants to buy it, they need to choose a size. So option name, size, and we're gonna add small, enter, and medium, and click enter, and large, click enter. If you want to delete something, you click the trash can. If you're done, press done, and there we go. Now you can change. Let's say the small shirt costs more for some reason. You can change the price for just a small, or maybe if it's a color. So let's say a certain color costs more, then you can change the price here. You can change the inventory, how much do you have available, and you can add a specific SKU code for each size or color or whatever variant you're using. Okay, moving on. The search engine listing. This is how your product will appear on search results. So it automatically copies the description you've already put before. But if you want to edit this to look a bit different in search results, because remember, you're competing with other search results here, you can change it. So maybe we want to change it to best. Best shirt ever. Okay, moving on. All right, we're gonna go back up to check these boxes right here on the right. So status, we have an option to keep this as draft if you're not ready for the product to go up to be published yet. So you can just keep it as draft for now. If the product is ready to go, then click active, and once you save, it will publish the product. Publishing. If your store is in different markets, so for example, some stores have a primary market for their original location, and also in addition a more international market, so other regions or countries that they work with. So if you want this product to only be available in a specific market, that's where you do that. All you have to do is click on Manage Markets and then select or unselect the relevant markets. Also, some stores have different sales channels, not just one. So maybe your sales channels are Facebook, Instagram, maybe you have an online store as well. This will look different for each one of you because your store has different sales channels. But this is where you manage the sales channels for this specific product. Another cool feature here for the online store, for example, you can see right next to the online store, there's a little calendar. That's meant to help you set a publishing date. You can use this calendar to set up a specific publishing date for this specific product for this specific channel. You just click the date and the time and you're all set. All right. Next up, we have product organization. This will help you categorize your product, add tags, and so on. So the product category can maybe be apparel, and the product type could be casual t-shirts, possibly. And vendor, this is the vendor for your product. So this could be a manufacturer or a wholesaler. So basically here you just type the vendor of the product and it helps you organize the products based on their vendor. It's very helpful for later on. Moving on, we have collections. If this product belongs to a specific collection, then that's where you type that. And tags. So tags are basically keywords for your products. They're very helpful. They can help shoppers look around for things in the store. So if this is a pink t-shirt, then a keyword can be pink, it can be shirt, it can be casual. So this is a pretty important step, and don't forget to click add after you type the keyword. Okay, moving on. If you have different templates, different designs, you can choose them here. You can design the different templates in the theme editor, and then you can assign the template here. You can just leave it default, or you can edit your theme and get creative. It's totally up to you how you want the store to look like. And for this one, we're just gonna leave the default template. Now we're gonna click on preview and see how this looks like. And here we go. Now this one is sold out, so don't forget to go to the inventory settings and change them according to what's available in your store. But that is it. You have just added the first product to your Shopify store. You're moving one step closer to opening up a successful Shopify store. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so we can create more helpful tutorials. See you later!